According to a scientific review published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology in September 2023, a novel formula with extract of witch hazel acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent with skin barrier function improvement and an effective, well-tolerated treatment for improving overall skin health. Clinical studies revealed significant improvements in skin hydration and barrier function following the application of witch hazel toner. Skin hydration increased at 15 minutes, 4 hours, and 8 hours post-application compared to baseline and untreated sites. Transepidermal water loss readings decreased significantly 1 hour after application, indicating improved skin barrier function. A consumer study with 200 participants showed the formula is well appreciated. I don't have full access to the journal though, so I don't know the exact formula or the other ingredients in the witch hazel toner used in the study. And in an in vitro study published in 2022, witch hazel did not demonstrate antibacterial or antibiofilm activities against Cutibacterium acnes. However, it displayed anti-inflammatory activity which may help with skin inflammation associated with acne.
By the way, before I continue, if you're new here, I'm Jera from the Philippines.
Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries gained from reading scientific journals and books written by doctors and natural medicine clinicians. I have a strong interest in subjects related to health and wellness, especially natural remedies, personal development, dogs, and cats. Some of my favorite books are Dissolving Illusions, Disease, Vaccines, and the Forgotten History by Dr. Susan Humphreys and Roman Bystrianic. Vitamin C, The Real Story, The Remarkable and Controversial Story of Vitamin C by Dr. Steve Hickey and Dr. Andrew Saul, and Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you're also a pet lover, somewhat health conscious, and have an insatiable thirst for new knowledge, I invite you to consider subscribing. Also, after watching this presentation, you might want to check out 12 health benefits of alpha-lipoic acid backed by human studies and 18 health benefits of NAC and acetylcysteine backed by human studies. The links are in the description box below.
Moving on, alcohol-free witch hazel toners are gentler on the skin and less likely to cause dryness compared to alcohol-based toners. However, alcohol-based toners may be more effective at removing excess oil from the skin, making them preferable for individuals with extremely oily skin. A 2007 study found that only a moisturizer with 10% glycerin was able to improve skin hydration. Moisturizers formulated with 10% urea or 10% propylene glycol did not exhibit a significant improvement in performance compared to a moisturizer without humectants. And according to a scientific review published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology in 2014, the concentration of aloe vera should be at least 10% in order to have a moisturizing effect. Incorporating glycerin and aloe vera into your favorite witch hazel toner may address the skin dehydrating effect of the alcohol while harnessing the anti-inflammatory benefits of witch hazel. To make 100 milliliters of toner, simply mix 80 milliliters of alcohol-based witch hazel toner, 10 milliliters of aloe vera, and 10 milliliters of glycerin. My favorite brand of aloe vera gel is Nature's Way with Aloe Polymax. As for witch hazel toner and glycerin, I love Dickinson's and Now Foods. I buy them from iHerb. If you decide to give them a try, feel free to use APT0317 at checkout. This discount code never expires, so feel free to use it anytime you shop on iHerb.com to save some money.